SpaceShooter by me, Haley Ferguson. Okay, so my goal was to learn the basics of Unity by making a SpaceShooter game. Design. For my design, I used Piskel and 2D art to create my spaceship and other parts of my program. My health program subtracts health if the enemy runs into me, and if I run out of health, I lose. So that's the health program. That's just my program overall. Test. I tested my project many times, and a problem I ran into was that the enemies were just going everywhere. So I had to program them to move towards the spaceship. Rethink. If I were to redo this project, I would make the game a little more complicated. Play. So now I'll show you my. So those are the enemy spaceships.
What does a red mean?
The health. That's the health bar.
She's on stage.
All right, any questions?
Any comments?
Yes.
How did you program the AI?
I